Best for turkey comparison. Smoking turkey is a popular method for achieving tender, flavorful meat, making smokers an essential tool for backyard chefs and holiday cooks alike. With a wide variety of smokers and turkey. List 1. Masterbuilt 30-inch digital electric. The Masterbuilt 30-inch digital electric smoker is a feature-packed smoker designed for enthusiasts who value precision and convenience. With 711 square inches of cooking space, it can accommodate up to 2 turkeys, making it ideal for family gatherings or parties. The patented side wood chip loader allows users to add wood chips without opening the door, ensuring consistent heat and smoke. Additional features include a removable water bowl for added moisture and digital controls for setting temperature and time with ease. Performance-wise, the Masterbuilt excels in maintaining stable temperatures up to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, ideal for low and slow cooking. The chrome-coated racks are durable and easy to clean, while the rear grease tray simplifies cleanup. However, its 45.9-pound weight and corded electric design make it less portable. Users appreciate its reliability and consistent results, though some note that the digital interface could be more intuitive. Overall, this smoker is best suited for those seeking a versatile and spacious electric smoker. List 2. CharBroil the Big Easy True Infrared. The CharBroil Big Easy Oil-less turkey fryer is a propane-powered alternative to traditional frying methods. Utilizing true infrared cooking technology, it ensures even heat distribution without flare-ups, delivering juicy and evenly cooked turkey. With the capacity to handle turkeys up to 16 pounds, this fryer is perfect for medium-sized gatherings. The rotary ignition simplifies operation, while the front access grease tray makes cleanup effortless. This fryer stands out for its safety and efficiency, eliminating the need for hot oil while achieving similar results. Its compact design and lightweight build make it portable, though its reliance on propane may require frequent refills for extended use. Users praise its consistent cooking results and ease of use, but some find the 1-year warranty limiting. Overall, this fryer is an excellent choice for those prioritizing safety and convenience. List 3. Camp Chef Infusion Roaster Turkey Cannon. The Camp Chef Turkey Cannon is a budget-friendly accessory designed for beer can-style turkey roasting. Made of sturdy stainless steel, it allows users to infuse their turkey with beer or sauce flavors while cooking in an oven or grill. Its compact design is ideal for smaller grills, and the built-in side forks prevent the bird from spinning during cooking. While the turkey cannon is not a standalone smoker, it enhances the flavor and moisture of turkey when used with other cooking methods. It's lightweight and easy to clean, making it a convenient tool for home cooks. However, its limited functionality and compatibility with smaller turkeys may restrict its appeal. For those seeking an affordable way to add flavor to their turkey, this accessory is a solid option. Pros. List number East Oak 30-inch electric smoke. The East Oak 30-inch electric smoker is a premium model designed for serious smoking enthusiasts. Featuring a glass door for monitoring progress and a meat thermometer for precision. This smoker offers 725 square inches of cooking space across 4 detachable racks. The side wood chip loader ensures continuous smoking without opening the door, preserving heat and flavor. With an 800-watt heating tube, the East Oak delivers consistent smoke for tender, juicy meats. Its digital control panel allows users to set temperatures between 100 to 275 and cooking times up to 12 hours. The smoker's 62-pound weight and powder-coated steel construction ensure durability but limit portability. Users appreciate its advanced features and spacious design, though its higher price may deter budget-conscious buyers. This smoker is ideal for those seeking top-tier performance and capacity. List number 5. For turkey. I seen on Shark Tank. The Turbo Trusser is a stainless steel accessory designed to simplify turkey trussing. Featured on Shark Tank, this innovative tool eliminates the need for butcher's twine, ensuring evenly cooked and juicier meat Compatible with ovens, grills, smokers, and fryers, it's versatile and dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. While the Turbo Trusser doesn't directly impact smoking, it enhances the cooking experience by ensuring a uniform shape for even heat distribution. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to store. However, its limited use for turkeys between 10 to 25 pounds may not suit all users. For those seeking a hassle-free way to truss their turkey, this accessory is worth considering.